as I just say make people then when join something, make they fall out onto the insecurity. On a fixing at the end. Now over to now when get juju, when craft different kind of juju for the country. Now insecurity don't dey now. All of now juju now keep quiet. Now the form like say we not dey powerful again. If not to dig shampoo for granted, they keep people when they follow the drag land, it go easy for now. Now man I go dig this for bush, give bandits, make them mash, make the OT for easy. Now after they carve things, carve wood, mold image, they serve, they drink ogogoro, they drink Fanta, they carve biscuits, they do sacrifice for 3 road junction. Now all of una sabi. Now security don't dey now, una juju all of una not get use. All of una they form so na they powerless now. But if you reach to do any things, if you reach to do any things, una go dey claim, say hey, una na dey powerful. Bandits don't full everywhere. Nice security don't increase for the country. All of now juju on a car follow everywhere. We are the form powerless people now. When I bring the come outside, when I say the entire juju, send the entire bush. When I draw rain, when I draw this, it pursue bandits come up for bush. Now not the form, so now not get power again now. Now just the occupy space, they misbehave, now powerless anyhow. If not to drink go Fanta or this any things. You go reach out to tie pieces of cloth, red or black, white, and I go tie the follow everywhere. And I not worry.
You know, I've been saying it, there's nothing like spiritual power anywhere. A lot of people say, yes, small boy, you don't know anything. In life, they say action speaks louder than voice. Hello? Do you see that the actions of Boko Haram bandits are speaking louder than your pastor's prayer and Babalawo shouting? All the old time Yoruba people they shout say we get spiritual power, come to Yoruba land, we go Shango, we got this, we get Odeshi. Now 14 days people don't dey inside bush. No Odeshi to go catch the Fulani herdsmen, to go chase the bullet and collect the children from them. All those way they claim say I feel disappear, you know feel disappear, enter bush, go find the children. When we say this thing, it look as if you say we will not get sense. But you know they say now, things that are happening, the event of the day is showing say, now when they will move for this country, when a God wanna they pray for, leave children for 14 days inside bush, that God must be wicked. That God, whether he's a Christian God or Hindu God or Muslim God, that God must be a wicked one. Teacher is beheaded, cut pieces. Nobody feels save him. I get spiritual power. I do we feel disappear. Now disappear, enter bush, go save people where they there. You they road, they carry black cars, they shout, government you know they do well. Why you not use your power, go do them? When we say this, most of you think that we are foolish, but we have been sitting down since 2020. After COVID-19, I've been telling you put this in on social media. COVID-19 came, nobody, no spiritual power was able to cure any COVID-19. Everywhere in the world, everybody now depend on face masks and sanitizer. When they tell you these things, people think that we don't know what we are talking about. Do you see what is happening? See as they go up and down, they catch people, even inside church, even inside mosques, even inside everywhere, everybody is now not be secured. When we say that security is the paramount mode of the government need to give you security. Police and army are your security, no spiritual power anywhere to save you. Your pastors have been deceiving you. They pray, they do all these things. For 60 years, Nigeria is still decaying. Even now, when they pray more, now the insecurity, they worse. See, I just want to remind you that every time you put your energy in God, all this way they come online and say, may God have mercy, God save you. Now you worse past people. Now you worse past the Boko Haram because your dependence on that spirituality is the reason why people are perishing every day. The day all of you will go and get your PVC and determine to come out and vote the right candidate, that's the day Nigeria will become okay. But as far as you think say, now God get power, now this one day, that God will keep silence and they will keep on killing you. Punish you with policies of the government, punish you with insecurity, punish you with lack of good road, punish you with everything. The economy will become hard for you. There is no God anywhere to save you. You are the one to save yourself. I'm out of here, Joe.